Many people know that Chabacano spoken in Cavite is distinct from the variety spoken in Zamboanga. However, only a few are aware that even within Cavite City itself, Chabacano has internal variation. In this video, we will explore the two accents of Chabacano de Cavite found in Cavite City. The first one is Caridad or Cavite Puerto, and the second one is San Roqueño. San Roqueño speakers tend to favor the vowels I and U, as seen in words such as ele, cuerpo, and dinero. In contrast, the Caridad or Cavite Puerto variety prefers E and O, producing forms like ele, cuerpo, and dinero. In this video, we will explore these differences further using example sentences to highlight how the two accents diverge in everyday speech. Cosa tu nombre y de donde tú? Cosa tu nombre y de donde tú? Mi nombre Antonio de San Roquillo. Mi nombre Antonio y de Caridad. Cosa tu queribisa? Cosa tu queribisa? De Kaitu. De que Kaitu. Pedro Binyakumi. Pedro Binyakumi. Pwede ba to Gora? Pwede ba to agora? No de pwede lunes Gora. No de pwede lunes agora. Cosa elita si. Cosa elita se. Elita lava el ropa. Elita lava el ropa. Cosa branda to de così. Cosa branda to de così. De così yon pollo frito. De così yon pollo frito. Filming was tiring, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Before I end, I'd like to wish you a alegre año nuevo con todos. Alegre año nuevo con todos. I'm also on Facebook and Blogspot, where you can read more about this. Please support my advocacy there. I hope to make more videos like this in the future. Adios!